Call 839-056751. Dimano Locksmith, your trusted non-destructive locksmith in South Carolina.
Oh Lord. Wait a minute, is this the lady with the old stuff? I do not like that. No, I do not want to watch that video. She has old costume stuff, and she makes it back into old costume stuff. No, Mama, people can have a traditional style. Well, doesn't he have traditional? But I do not like it. It's not great. Yeah, I watch good video. This is like other people saying it's fun, so it's not necessarily good. I feel like you're very like Tuscan modern. Who, me? Modern, yes. Tuscan, not so much. Your color scheme is a little bit green, but like not even bright like this. I mean, in your spaces that you design just for you, they're bright. But in, I feel like community spaces, they're like, okay, I want a bed. That looks good. That looks big, ornate, silly. That's okay. Yeah. Exactly. They always say never select first. Because then you were like, I hate this. I don't want to do this anymore. It was like, I'm just going to add a bunch of cream. Yeah. Not better. I would go. Actually, I would love to just bring on it too. So I would want with popcorn. Like, yeah, like winter green yolk and everything. Just, I like my freezers full.
Call 839-056751. Dimano Locksmith, your trusted non-destructive locksmith in South Carolina.